Ever wondered why do we yawn when we see someone else yawn? It turns out, contagious yawning is actually a sign of empathy. Research shows that we are more likely to yawn when we see someone we are emotionally close to yawn, such as a family member or close friend. This unconscious mimicry is believed to be a primitive form of bonding and social connection. So next time you catch yourself yawning after someone else, remember, it's just your brain's way of showing empathy. What do you think? Leave it in the comments and subscribe.